If you're like me and going through an annoying phase of hair fall, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Khadija and you're watching me on Be Beautiful, and today we're talking about why hair fall starts and the Ayurvedic hair care routine that supports stronger, healthier hair over time. Before we talk about the routine, let's quickly understand why hair fall happens in the first place. It's usually a mix of stress, hormonal changes, low vitamin D or iron, scalp issues like buildup or dandruff, heat styling, tight hairstyles, and sometimes genetics. So what we need is a routine that strengthens the root, calms the scalp, and reduces breakage. Here are 5 tips that will come handy. Tip 1 is what mums and grandmoms love the most: oiling. I like this one by Indulekha because this is infused with herbs like bringraj, amla, and neem. Plus, the calm applicator makes it super easy to apply it directly on the scalp. My tip is to massage it well for 3 to 5 minutes with your head upside down and then leave it on for an hour or 2 max. Tip 2. One underrated cause of hair fall is an inflamed, overheated scalp, which in Ayurveda is called pitta aggravation. To combat this, just do any of these twice a week, you're sorted. One is a quick aloe application directly on your scalp. What I like to do is pop the aloe vera in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes and then use it directly on the scalp. The second is a cooling head bath with like a room temperature or slightly colder water. That's it. This helps calm inflammation and supports better growth. Ayurveda, as we know, heavily emphasizes on internal nourishment, whether it be for hair growth or your overall well-being. You don't need complicated routines for this, but just consistency. What you can do is include ghee in your meals for healthy fat. You can also add in iron-rich foods like spinach, pumpkin seeds, etc. Go in for almonds and walnuts for that omega-rich support. And of course, drink a lot of water. A dehydrated scalp means weaker roots. Tip 4. Once a week, take out 5 minutes to stimulate your roots. All you gotta do is flip your hair forward and massage your scalp. Use gentle circular pressure around the crowns and side and focus on area where your hair thins faster. Tip 5 and the last tip is that hair growth relies heavily on routine. So try to sleep on time, reduce heat styling, avoid those tight ponytails, hairstyles, or buns, eat on time, ensure your blood work is done and proper, and try to reduce stress. This is called Dincharya in Ayurveda, which basically means your daily routines shape your overall health. And that's the Ayurvedic routine to healthier, thicker hair. Honestly, it's not complicated. All you need is consistency and a routine that you follow. So share your tips in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe to Be Beautiful. I'll see you in the next one.